Allow me to enjoy myself. 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 Enjoy myself. Allow me to 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 enjoy. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Me to enjoy myself. Oh my God. So it turned out to be like this. So this is it. God.
And it goes a little something like.
How can we love you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I believe you are doing great. I am doing fine too. If today is your first time of coming across my video or of coming across my channel, my name is Mary. I'm a Nigeria YouTuber. I'm based in Austria. You are welcome to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be talking about, do women dress up look good because of a man? It's a question. When a woman take good care of herself, is it because of a man? Because why I'm asking this question, most of the time when a woman look good or when a woman dress up looking good, people think she's dressing up or she's looking good because of a man. So that is why I am asking this question. So that is what this video is about today. So before then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Yes, let's dive into the video. Do ladies look good, take good care of themselves, looking good because of a man? Or they look good, they dress up, look good because for their self? If you ask me, in my opinion, I believe that anybody that want to look good for he or herself. You can look good for yourself, not because of anybody. If they said a lady look good, dress up, looking good because of a man, what about a married woman? When a married woman dress up or looking good, does she do that because of a man, or does she look good, dress up because he's looking for someone to, he's looking for another man? No, a married woman already have her own man. So in my own opinion, women don't look good because of a man. Women look good because for their self. And I will see this opportunity to talk to, if you are married, that does not mean that you will not be looking good anymore. Because some women say, I'm already married, I'm already taken, I already have a husband, I don't have to look good anymore. Who am I looking good for? No, that is not good. Even when you are married, even when you have children, even when your children are already grown, you still have to look good for yourself. Looking good is a good business. Understand? They said looking good is a good business. You still have to look good for yourself. It doesn't matter because you're already married, you don't want to look good anymore, you don't want to dress up anymore. No, that is not nice. Even if you are 50 or you are 60, 70, still look good for yourself. Try your best, do the one you can. Always look good, always look on flink. And you are not looking good because of anybody. Look good for yourself. Dress the way you want to be addressed. Look good for yourself. Take good care of yourself. Don't say because you are now married, you don't leave yourself and look yakata, and you don't even care about yourself anymore. You don't even care looking good anymore. You just leave yourself and say, who am I looking good for? Let me just, after all, I'm already married. No. Women don't look good because of a man. you look good for yourself. Okay? So this impression of when you see a woman looking so good, you know, say, where are you going? Why are you looking this good? Are you looking for a man, or are you looking for someone to toast you? No. This woman just look good for herself. And some people, when they are going through one thing or the other, they just leave themselves. They look horrible. They don't want to look good again. They don't want to take care of themselves again. Take care of yourself. Problem will never finish. Everyone have his or her own problem. There is no human being on this earth that is there without any single problem. No human being is perfect. Everyone have one thing or the other they are going through. So look good. Always look good for yourself, not for anybody. When you look good, you are not looking good to impress anyone. You are not looking good to look for any man. In this video, I'm talking to women. I'm talking to ladies. Women don't look good because women don't dress up because they are looking for men. Women dress up to look good for themselves. Look good for yourself. Don't let go of yourself looking horrible, looking somehow because of one thing or the other. Or some women will say, if I look good now, maybe my husband will say, I'm looking good to go and impress another man, or to go and seduce another man. No. Even when you look good, your husband will look at you and say, wow, this is my wife. See how my wife is looking take away. See how after having how many children, look at the way she looks. She look take away. That will be a plus for your husband. Women, look good. You are not looking good because of any man. And anyone that have that impression that when you see any woman looking good, you think that this woman is looking good because she wants men to go after her. No. They look good for themselves. Your looking good will boost your self-esteem. Or some people have this low self-esteem. They think they are always finished. When they are going through one thing or the other, they just think they are always finished. That is why, do you know that is why some women, some ladies look good, and some other ladies that don't like looking good will look at it as intimidation? They see that this person is intimidating. This person is not intimidating you. It's how you are the one that is feeling intimidated. This person is just looking good for herself. But you that is looking at this person, you are feeling intimidated. Also, like the people that post on social media all the time, that post picture all the time, some people look at it and say, she's posting picture all the time, she's looking good to show off. No, my dear, that person is not looking good to show off. You are the one viewing it with jealousy. That person is just posting, just living he or her life. But you are the one viewing it with jealousy. When you are viewing it with jealousy, you will think that person is posting for show off. No. So let's change that attitude of thinking that somebody is trying to impress, or no, somebody is trying to intimidate. Yes, there is that word. There's these two ladies then some years ago that came out on Facebook. They were dressing up, doing makeup, doing good, looking beautiful. But some women see them as threat. So some women see them as if they are trying to intimidate them. At that time, what do I say in my house? Then I was not on social media like this. What I always say in my house then is, they are not intimidating you people. They are only looking good. But you are the one, because of your low self-esteem, you feel intimidated. No. They did not come to intimidate anybody. They are just looking good. So my dear ladies, women don't look good to look for men. Women look good for themselves. When you look good, when you go to the mirror, look at yourself. You say to yourself, wow. I will say to myself, Mary, you are looking beautiful. You are looking stunning. You look good. That makes me happy. You will say, this Mary said, yes, my darling. Always look good for yourself. You are not looking good to intimidate anybody. You are not looking good to look for men. You are not looking good because you want men to start toasting you. No, you look good for yourself. So, my own opinion, ladies don't look good because they are looking for men. Ladies don't look good for men. You look good for yourself. You take care of yourself. You and another thing, I think I have to make that in another video. You don't have to have it all to look good. You can look good with low budget. Depends on what you want. Ladies, try to look good even when you are married. Try to take care of yourself. It's when a man marries you and you start looking like his mother at home, you will start feeling like, what is this? And some ladies, when they are not married, they will start taking care of themselves. Immediately they get married, they will leave themselves and start looking somehow. No, that is not nice. Look good always. And I believe you are not looking good to look for men, or you are not looking good to intimidate anybody. You are only looking good for yourself, to say to yourself, yes, you are alive. So that is it. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and always watch my video. Thank you.